Okay, today's video is about making a duet in Suno. Now, Suno doesn't actually have a duet button. You can't actually do a duo, but there is a workaround. It's a really simple process I'm going to show you. My name is Lewis, and I've been doing Suno since day one, and this is Suno Simplified. Let's duet. See what I did just then? Duet. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to go quickly to Suno, and in Suno, I've got the song called Belong, and it sounds like this. What do I do? What do I do? Now I found you. So I've got that song there that I want to go and turn into a duet. So I'm going to quickly select the song and then take it into Studio. And okay, so the way to go about this in Suno Studio is we're going to go and separate the song into stems, select the lead vocal, and then change that into the opposite version. So this being a male vocal, we're going to change that into a female vocal. So here's the song. What do I do? What do? Okay, so there's the song. We're going to go and extract the stems out of that, and then we're going to replace our vocals. We're going to click this button, and then we're going to go and say vocals and instrumental, and let Suno do its thing. Now, this is where all the shortcuts that I've shown you in a previous video comes into play, so your editing becomes much more efficient and streamlined. Now, if you found any of this content educational, helpful, or entertaining, click the subscribe button and share the content. We're going to continue down the rabbit hole with Suno. Okay, so Suno has now created the vocals over here with the instrumental. We're just going to go and insert all into our workspace. And then let's go and audition these. There's the vocals. What do I do? What do I do? Now I found you. And there's the instrumental. So the vocals have been separated and they're by themselves. You turn a face to. Okay, so the next step we have to do is we have to convert that into female vocals. So we're going to select that track, duplicate this track, and then while it still says vocals on it, going to go down here and we're going to select it, and from here we're going to convert this into female vocals. Now we can either use our parentheses, keeping all of that together. Maybe we should add the lyrics. Let's go back over here, copy our lyrics, and then paste our lyrics into here. Done. And we want to select that. We just want to make sure that it's all correct. Correct. We're going to go and replace that by clicking cover. So now Suno is going to go and regenerate that vocal line as a female from our prompt. Let's see what Suno comes up with. Okay, Suno has done a cover version of that audio file, just the vocals, the a cappella version of Belong, and we've intentionally prompted it to be a female version of the male, so then we can create our duet. Here we go. Let's listen to the first version, version number 1.
What do I do? What do I do? Now I found you. You got me flipped from what I knew.
Hey, that's pretty good, Suno. That sounds very cool, very good, very clean. Let's go and listen to version 2.
Yeah. What do I do? What do I do? Now I found you. You got me flipped.
Okay, so that has the music in it, whereas the first version didn't have the music in it. So we're going to use the first version because it's already clean and edited. Click that button and then click copy to main track. So now we should have 2 variations of our a cappella vocals, male vocals here and female vocals here. Okay, so we've got the male version and the female version over the instrumental. Let's click the instrumental back on again.
Got me flipped from what I knew. Out of now I can see my future. Now I can see I belong to you. I belong to you.
Okay, so the female version is out of time. So what we need to do is we need to go and edit that. So using our shortcuts to zoom in and then go and try and match it up with the male vocals. I can see that there's a peak here and there's a peak here. I'm going to try and see where this male vocal starts.
What do I do?
So that's the beginning of the male vocal for what? For the chorus. Now let's go and listen to the female vocal and see where we can find this.
Yeah. What do I
Okay, so what I'd like to do now is alternate the vocals so then the male and females come together in the second chorus. All right, so we know we've got the song edited somewhat. Just go and check those edits.
Can't believe it. Yeah, what do I do? What do I do? Now I found you. You got me flipped from what I knew. Out of the blue.
Okay, so we've edited the whole song. We've built a duet. So basic concept is we take the song into Suno Studio, we separate it, we extract the stems, and we build a vocal acapella. With that vocal acapella, we go and create another generation of that by turning it into the opposite vocal line. So being a male vocal line, we're going to convert that into a female vocal line. And then from the female vocal line, if Suno does create music in that next generation, you have to go and separate that again into another acapella. And then from those two acapellas, you go and alternate with your editing using your shortcuts, and you will come up with a brilliant, amazing duet that just is phenomenal. And then once you've done all the editing, you're simply going to go and export the full song, and Suno will generate a new version of that song with the acapella. So let's quickly go and see our new song in Suno. Get to our library. All right, so we're going to see the new song. Just quickly go to our library. Here it is on the left-hand side. It's called Belong Remastered in Suno Studio. So there's the males.
What do I do? What do I do? Now I found you.
There's the females.
You got me flipped from what I knew. Out of the blue.
There you go.
You turn a face to. Now I can see my future. I belong to you. Ooh, yeah. It's just us two. Just us two. And I can't believe it. Yeah. What do I do? What do I do? Now I found you. You got me flipped from what I knew. Out of the blue.
Solid duet, all made and generated in Suno and Suno Studio. If you liked any of this content and you thought it was educational, helpful, inspirational, or simply entertaining, hit the subscribe button and share the content. And as we continue down this rabbit hole, I am confident that I will see you in the next one. My name is Lewis, and this is Suno Simplified. Ciao.